Clipchamp video editing tips. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Clipchamp and all the video editing tips and tricks that you need. Now, Clipchamp is basically a new software that was introduced by Microsoft, okay? And what Clipchamp does for you is, it makes video editing a whole lot easier. So, there's a lot of editing tips that you can gain from Clipchamp, okay? There's a lot of tips and tricks that you can get. So, to start things off, first of all, you're going to install Clipchamp. So, once you install Clipchamp, you can install it from their main website, or you can install it from your Microsoft Store. Now, from there, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, you have text to speech, okay? So text to speech is one of the best features in my opinion, okay? It gives you any type of text, okay? And you can turn it into speech. You can write anything like, "Hi, my name is John," and it's going to get into speech. Then there's auto captions, where if a person is saying something, which is basically speech to text, okay? So whatever the person is saying, the captions are going to appear. Then you can resize a video. Like you can make a video big, make a video small without making it blurred. You have a speaker coach, and you can actually transform your videos with actual elements that you get. And if you get it for free, there's unlimited video creation with no watermark. And the video editing is for everyone, okay? You can create it perfectly for creators. It's helpful for businesses and essential for all you educators out there. So that's the basic idea of Clipchamp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.